I'm Gauri. I'm studying in KCS Kasi Nadar College of Arts and Science. I'm from first BCom B. In this video, we are going to see about forecasting. First of all, forecasting meaning. Forecasting is the process of making prediction based on past and present data and most commonly by analysis of trends. A commonplace example might be estimation of some variables of interest at some specified future date. Prediction is a similar but more general term. Next, definition. KM Bottle. Forecasting is the process of making prediction about changing conditions and future events that may significantly affect the business of an organization. Next, characteristics of forecasting. Estimating a future events. Forecasting aimed at estimating future events. In other words, it determines the probability of happening of future events. Dependency on past and present events. Forecasting takes into account two important aspects, that is analysis of the past available information and analysis of present available informations. Usage of forecasting techniques. Forecasting is a systematic attempt to probe the future with the help of various qualitative and quantitative forecasting techniques. Internal and external source of information. Forecasting is made on collecting information either from internal source, that is within the organization, and from external source, that is outside the organization. Long-term or short-term forecast. Forecast can be either made for a long or short period. However, forecast tends to be accurate for a short term when compared to long-term forecast. Next one, advantages of forecasting. Helps in planning. Forecasting plays a key role in managerial planning and supplies vital facts and crucial informations. The most important use of forecasting is in providing premises for planning. Improve abilities of managers. It improves the thinking and creativity abilities of managerial personnel as they assess and make a prediction about the future. Facilitates control. Forecasting facilitates a managerial role. It discloses areas where control is lacking and where adequate control is necessary for effective and efficiency operation of the business. Promotes teamwork. Forecasting helps to bring unity and coordination in the plans and efforts of the subordinates. It creates a team spirit in the organization. It helps in integrating various departmental plans into corporate plans. Helps in identifying weakness. Forecasting helps to identify the weakness in the organization. When these are identified, it becomes easy for the manager to establish effective plan and control thereafter. Improve efficiency. Forecasting helps to proper employees to prepare aspect changes without much resistance. Thus, forecasting facilitates smooth functioning of the organization by increasing its efficiency. Disadvantages of forecasting. Based on assumption. Forecasting is based on certain assumption about the future and it involves guesswork on the part of managers. In this process, there are changes of accuracy of errors by making the forecast unreliable. Unreliability. Forecast are just estimate of future conditions and not indicators of actual position. They are based on uncertainty and are not reliable. There are changes that best Allied plan may not yield good result and bad plan may drive supernormal profits to the firm. Expensive. Forecasting is an expensive process as it requires much time and money is collection, analysis and interpretations of data. Thank you.